Hi friends, now Tata Docomo has come up with an online app, that is My Tata Docomo app. This is currently for Android users, and now users don't have to go or face any kind of problem to get their problem resolved. Everything will be on the click of their phone. So let's understand how do we download it. Friends, we need to go to the Play Store, and there we mention My Tata Docomo app. As soon as the page comes, we need to install it. Once it is installed, we need to open it, and it will be like this. We need to agree to the terms and conditions, and there we'll get the three options, that is for mobile, photon or walkie. Like we registered for the mobile first. In this they'll be asking for the 10-digit mobile number. So we need to enter a 10-digit number, like I am doing this for my number, and we need to submit it. Then they will ask for the one-time password. For this one-time password, I will be getting that password in the mobile number or my registered email ID. As soon as I get the password, I need to submit it here and press the submit button. See, now this is how I am getting registered to the My Docomo app, and I guess this is the most simple app as compared to other competitors. Now if you can see, in my account there were two numbers, so both the numbers have been automatically updated on this My app. Now there are other benefits like add new number. We can add new numbers, we can raise a request. There are frequently asked questions also in case we face any kind of problem. In case we need to find the stores, so there is an option of finding the store. We need to look at the my profile, we can go to the my profile. We can recharges, we can do the recharges, we can make the bill payments, we can have the alerts, etc. So now, for example, if we want to find a store somewhere to our house, say Mohali, then we need to press the find store button. There it's asking if I need to find with the pin code or the map. So I select pin code and press the submit button. Here I will be mentioning the Mohali pin code and pressing the submit button. So friends, we can see that in Mohali there are two stores, and they are giving me complete information related to this. So like I can find out now, I have a phase 10 store and a 3B2 store. So friends, this will help us to enable the nearest stores to us. Now coming to the postpay bill part, like if I want to make the payment, I can click on this button. It is giving me three options: mobile recharge, photon recharge, quick bill payment. So I can go on to the quick bill payment and can make my payments. Now if I want to see my profile, like what is my billed, what is my unbilled account, I should go to my profile, and I can see that my account number along with my mobile numbers, my email ID, my alternate number and my address. So friends, I guess this is one of the most easiest app I have ever seen. Now if I want to get more details about the particular number I am using, I should press on this, and here I am getting the complete details about my billed amount, about my unbilled amount. If I want to pay the bill, I have an option of paying the bill. If I need to go to the plan details, I can click on this plan details, and I am getting the options of to confirm how much I will be charged if I make a call from local Tata to Tata, if I will make calls from local non-Tata to Tata charges, etc. So going back, if I want to get details on the add-on pack, I can click on the add-on packs, and complete information is being coming, and I can activate in one go only. We have different offers also. Bill request, if bills are not coming to you on time and you want to get the bill request, so I can raise the duplicate bill and I can submit it.